पीछे
पीछे पीछे मिल जाएंगे।
पीछे पीछे मिल जाएंगे।
कैसे कटे दिन रात।
गलत।
यहाँ से नीचे गया तो भाई गया फोन, गया, खत्म। नमस्ते दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप वेल एंड गुड। यू नो व्हाट, दैट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट मैटर्स। आज के इस नए से लोकेशन में और नए से वीडियो में, दिस इज द लोकेशन बाय द वे। सो इस नए से लोकेशन और नए से वीडियो में आज हम एक गेम खेलने वाले हैं। मतलब मैं गेम खेलने वाली हूँ अपने हस्बैंड के साथ, एंड ही हैज़ ऑल्सो प्रिपेयर्ड सम क्वेश्चंस फॉर मी, एंड वी बोथ आर गोना बैटल अगेंस्ट ईच अदर। लेट्स सी हु विल विन। आई एम होपिंग इट्स मी बिकॉज आई हेट टू लूज। You guys also do participate with us. Comment down below your answers, and if you guys like the game and you want to see more such stuff from us, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video. Hit the subscribe button. I'm repeating it, I know that, but please do that. I would really like it. अच्छा, गेम क्या है पहले उसके रूल समझ लेते हैं, उसके बाद बैटल शुरू होगा, द ग्रेट बैटल शुरू होगा उसके बाद। तो मैं बताती हूँ, 5 क्वेश्चंस मैंने प्रिपेयर करके रखे हैं, 5 क्वेश्चंस हिमोन ने प्रिपेयर करके रखे हैं। ओके, तो क्वेश्चन क्या है, लिवरपूल का एक फोटो होगा, उसमें से 4-5 प्लेयर्स होंगे, एक प्लेयर का फेस ब्लर्ड होगा, द अदर पर्सन हैज टू गेस वो कौन सा प्लेयर है। अगर फोटो देखते ही गेस कर दिया तो 3 पॉइंट्स, अगर उन्होंने क्लू मांगा कि चलो एक क्लू लगेगा तो 2 पॉइंट्स, अगर 2 क्लू लगेगा तो 1 पॉइंट, अगर गेस ही नहीं कर पाए तो 0 पॉइंट्स। मतलब थर्ड क्लू नहीं होने वाला है, एंड काफ़ी वेग क्लूज रखे हैं। लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस। आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट ही हैज़ प्रिपेयर्ड, और मे बी ही इज प्रिपेयरिंग राइट नाउ। आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाट ही हैज़ डन। आई वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग इट इन साइड। सो लेट्स सी, हो सकता है हमारे क्वेश्चन सेम भी हो ना हो। आई डोंट नो। आर यू नर्वस?
आई एम सो नर्वस। थर कांप रहा। थर।
आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड द सेटिंग जहाँ मैं अपने फ़ोन को प्लेस कर सकती हूँ। मैं ट्राइपॉड लेके आना भूल गई, सो दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव टू डू नाउ। इससे बेटर मुझे सेटअप मिला नहीं, तो हम इसी में ये गेम खेलने वाले हैं। आर यू रेडी? लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। आई एम गोइंग टू शो हिम माई चोजन फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. लेट्स सी इफ यू कैन गेट इट लाइक इन 3 points, दैट इज विदाउट एनी क्लूज.
I can see that he has tattoos on his palm, on his wrist. इस वाले एरिया में टैटू किसका है?
You can't take forever.
Think it is Nunez. Think so. But let's see. I'll take the first clue.
You'll take the first clue. So
Yes.
you're going to play for 2 points now.
Yes.
Okay. 1 second.
क्या क्लू याद भी नहीं तेरे को?
नहीं, I do not know, but just don't read, okay? So your first clue is that he was almost going to quit football at the age of 17. Guys, you also comment down below, okay? Whatever you think कि ये player है, whoever you think it is, do comment down below, and you're not gonna get like the
Nunez.
entire day.
It's Nunez.
How did you get to Nunez with that? Are you sure?
I'm sure it's Nunez. Is it Nunez or it's not? I'll tell you how if it is the right
It
answer.
is Darwin Nunez. It is
Yeah.
Darwin Nunez. Fine.
पहली बात कि nobody in the squad has tattoos here other than Nunez. I feel. I
Okay.
haven't noticed anybody.
Soboslai?
Second चीज है ना, सोबोस्लाई का यहाँ पे थोड़ी है, यहाँ तक है।
Okay, second.
Second is 17 में he almost left football. इसका मतलब 17 में he had some really bad injuries.
Yeah.
तो Nunez had really bad
Basically,
injuries.
yeah.
हाँ, he had knee injuries उस टाइम पे, बहुत भयानक वाले। तो
Fine, you get 2 points. ठीक है. This was like an easy question and lucky guess.
3 ही मिलना चाहिए था।
नहीं, क्यों? तुमने पहले तो श्योर होके बोला नहीं ना कि lock it. I would have locked it. Your turn now.
ये
Okay, so this is Trent. और जो है साथ में वो ट्रेंड से लंबा है. I can see from his legs that he's a little dark in color, and I'm not being racist. I'm just trying to understand that who this guy must be. And he's wearing 2 साल पुराना वाला जर्सी. तो either it is कोनाटे. Ryan Gravenberch था क्या उस टाइम पे?
Who is Ryan Gravenberch?
I said Ryan.
You said Ryan Gravenberch.
Shit, I said Ryan Gravenberch. Who is this guy? If it would have been Konate, वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा muscularly built है. I don't think it is Konate. I don't think it is Van Dijk. I want to go with Ryan Gravenberch because he's the one who's tall. There can't be any other option. Shall I play for a clue? I do not know. अच्छा, I'm going to go all out and say that it's Ryan Gravenberch.
Lock कर दे।
You're laughing, तो मतलब that's not the answer. रुक जा फिर.
ना ऐसे
Why
तो
did you like? Why did you smirk?
अरे
ना,
यार,
why did you
ऐसे
smirk?
थोड़ी होता है यार, चीटिंग कर करके।
नहीं, I'll go with Ryan Gravenberch. Yeah.
Nah, it's not Gravenberch.
Who?
कोडी गैक्पो।
Oh my god, that's
इतना श्योर हो कि खेलोगे तो यही होगा।
overconfident.
ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस इतना।
इश, गैक्पो दिमाग में ही नहीं आ रहा था मेरे। ची फाइन। So the score is I'm on 0 points right now and you're on 2, right? So this is your next question. इधर उधर मत करना, फिर उसका आंसर निकल जाएगा फिर।
यहाँ पे है क्वांजा जोन्स। ये कौन है? क्लू।
You want to play for the clue? Okay, so 2 points. Your clue is that his brother is also a professional footballer. You got it?
एलेक्सिस मैकलिस्टर।
Wrong. 0.
कौन है फिर?
Ryan Gravenberch.
अच्छा हाँ, अरे यार।
All right, so I still have like time to get back into the game. So it's your turn. I'm gonna get like 3 points now, but if I'm going to play for 3 points, that means that I have to guess it by just looking at the picture. But this is not a Liverpool player.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? Who
ये-
is not a Liverpool?
अरे this guy,
तो क्या हो गया?
he seems a very skinny guy. Somebody like Harvey Elliott, Curtis Jones, or Tyler Morton, Bicetich. मतलब वैसे वाले कैटेगरी में लग रहा है मुझे उसको देख के, because he looks very skinny. Can't be Robertson because very skinny hands. Can't be Robertson.
इतना टाइम
Bradley.
नहीं मिलेगा।
Okay, I want to play for the clue.
आपका पहला क्लू। He joined Liverpool in 2019.
2019. कॉनर ब्रैडली नहीं लड़ रहा होगा। हार्वी लड़ सकता है, बट डिड हार्वी जॉइन इन 2019? आई थिंक हार्वी एलियट जॉइन इन 2019, बट he does not look like Harvey Elliott because he looks tall.
Second clue?
Okay, give me the second clue. I'll play for 1 point. At least I'll get 1.
ये तो इजी है। 2022 में
हाँ.
he was on loan at Bolton Wanderers, where he won the EFL trophy.
Tyler Morton.
गलत।
Ooh.
आपका जवाब गलत है।
Ooh.
कॉनर ब्रैडली।
Tyler Morton was also on loan, na? Like he
हाँ.
went. I am so poor at this game, and I invented this game, and I'm like
देखा?
super upset. You're right. It is Conor Bradley. मेरा दिमाग जा रहा था Conor Bradley, but then he looked taller in the picture.
लंबा तो है ही कॉनर ब्रैडली, 5'11" का है वो।
लगता नहीं है।
लगता नहीं है, but he is 5'11".
Your next question is.
अरे ये तो ऐसे ही बता दूंगा।
ऐसे कैसे बता दूंगा? If you have seen the picture, see, like cross your heart and tell the truth. If you have seen the picture, then you cannot answer it.
Feel like this is Trent. पहला क्लू।
Your first clue is that when he started playing football, so he started as number 9 and he scored a lot of goals. इतना भी टाइम नहीं मिलना चाहिए भाई।
सेकंड क्लू।
So you want to play for the 1 point. Okay. He has almost 400 club appearances before he joined Liverpool.
सोबोस्लाई।
Are you sure?
हाँ।
Lock. Wrong! That's the wrong answer. I'm still in the game. I'm so happy because this is not Soboslai.
कौन है?
Endo.
हाँ।
ये तो मैं ऐसे गेस कर दूंगा।
तब भी मैं लीड में हूँ।
हाँ तो 2 पॉइंट है।
2 पॉइंट है, तुम तो 0 पे है।
हाँ तो I'll get like 3 now. You see, I'll see the picture and I'll guess it. No, see, this is not allowed.
सेम बंदा है।
ओ मुझे लगा एक ही पिक्चर है। I am so poor at this game and I was the one who invented it. I was telling him that this is what we're gonna do, okay? It's too much. He is as tall as अपना Van Dijk. Because अगर Van Dijk को आप पीछे से देखो तो एकदम वो ऐसी निगाहों से देख रहा है कि उसकी ही हाइट का है। अभी ट्रेंट तो लंबा है बट इतना है कि नहीं, आई डू नॉट नो। साला नहीं हो सकता। क्वांजा हो सकता है. You got a call. Can't be साला Gakpo हो सकता है, but you will not ask me Cody Gakpo question twice. But you can do that because you are like that. It can be Matip also. मेरा दिमाग वहीं पे क्यों घुस रहा है? सारे तुम मुझसे लंबे वाले लोगों के क्वेश्चंस क्यों पूछ रहे हो?
ठीक है, अगला बार मैं नाटा बोलूँ.
अच्छा, give me a clue.
He was on loan at Bristol Rovers in 2023.
I should get this ना. क्वांजा इस किट में था. I think it is.
देवी जी, आपका जवाब लॉक किया जाए.
Yeah. Is it Kwanzaa?
7 crore.
It's Kwanzaa.
It's Kwanzaa.
Ah, baap re baap. I am on number 2. Like 2 points, 2 points. Now we are on a tie, and I told you I'll get back to it. मुझे starting में ही Kwanzaa लग रहा था, but I really needed that clue. But I'm just so happy that I got that one right. Now we are equal. Yes. Okay. So the fourth question for you is. Okay, this is your next question.
अरे ये तो.
But listen, if you've seen the picture, then do tell me beforehand.
इसके पैर मोटे मोटे से है.
वाह, 7 करोड़. Guys,
पहला क्लू.
oh, okay. दिखाना मुझे, मैं भी भूल गई now. Okay, so this is going to be an easy one. Like I think everybody can guess it. So your first clue is that he's a childhood Celtic fan.
रॉबर्टसन.
I knew this. This one was easy.
इतना easy clue.
Oh, 1 second. Listen, मैंने ना ये वाला include. Actually ना मैं एक फोटो भेजना भूल गई इस वाले में. तो I'll send it because listen.
We will play that extra round, but I get points for this round.
You don't get.
I do get points.
Actually, the thing is.
Nah.
Listen,
Nah.
You can't
Question
be that
has
fussy
been
about
put
this.
up. Nah. Question has already been put up. I get the points. I
अरे listen.
guessed correctly.
मैंने.
नहीं.
Fine. So you have 4 points now. Yeah, this is very funny.
इतना easy. 3 point पीछे मिल जाएंगे.
किसको मारा था डोकू यार? किसको मारा था डोकू? सोबोस्लाई. हाथ में ग्लव्स पहना हुआ है. मैकेलिस्टर. हाथ में ग्लव्स कौन पहनता है? सोबोस्लाई पहनता है, मैकेलिस्टर पहनता है. मैकेलिस्टर पहनता है कि नहीं पहनता है? I think this is मैकेलिस्टर. लुइस डियाज. जेरेमी डोकू क्यों डियाज पे टैकल करेगा? वो कोई
जेरेमी डोकू क्यों ही किस पे टैकल करेगा, वो भी ऐसे, और हमको फाउल नहीं मिले. That is the main question here. The game goes out of the window right now. How was this not a foul?
Jeremy Doku, Luis Diaz does not make sense, but in the midfield, I think McAllister पे कर सकता है. I want to go with McAllister. It's McAllister now? Oh my God! I knew this. Like 5 points, 4 points.
Lovely cushion header for Gerrard.
Yes, I knew this one. Okay, now listen. Wait a second. I have to send a question. Okay, in this. Okay, guys. So we are approaching the end of the game. I'm on 5 points and he's on 4 points. Currently, I'm like really winning with a very huge margin. No, that's not true. But like, let's see if we can guess this one. Okay. Now, if you have seen the picture, promise me you will tell that you've seen the picture and you'll not like be a rondi.
Beer?
Rondi. In Punjabi, it's called कि cheating मत करना.
अच्छा, मुझे कुछ और ही लगा.
Can you guess?
अरे ये लाल पैंट कौन पहन देगा भाई अपने. पहला क्लू.
I knew this. तो पहला क्लू ठीक है. Your first clue is that he is the youngest goal scorer in a Merseyside derby since Robbie Fowler. 18 years. I don't think it's going to be that easy, honestly. That's what I was saying. This was going to be my fourth question.
नहीं लग रहा है. Second clue.
So you want to play for that 1 point. So if you get this 1 point, we'll be equal. So I have to get the other one right to win. Okay. Your second clue is that he has a Nigerian descent through his grandmother. It's difficult. I knew this was going to be difficult.
Jones.
Yeah.
Curtis Jones.
How did you get this one?
Red pants.
When have you seen him wearing red pants?
No, I think that Curtis Jones is the kind of person who would not be afraid of wearing red pants.
That is true. So now, yeah, this is Curtis Jones and you get 1 point. So you are on 5 points. I'm on 5 points, but I still have one penalty left.
Penalty?
I'm just,
Penalty cake.
Yeah.
Spot cake.
I'm relating it to that. Let's see what happens. This is a do and die situation. तुम क्वेश्चन दिखाने में कितना टाइम लगा रहे हैं? Oh, this is quite old. Trent के साथ ये, but even if I take like 2 clues, I'm gonna win. So give me a clue.
He joined Liverpool in 2015.
Give me another clue. He's a current player, na?
He met his partner in 2014 on a bus on his way to school, who later became his wife, and so her name is Tamara. Tamara.
2015 में he joined Liverpool. 2014 में उसकी शादी हो गई.
शादी नहीं हुई.
मतलब
met his partner.
मतलब he met the
on his way to school on a bus.
वर्जिल को तो तब लिया था जब उसको बेचा था हमने. कुटिन्यो को बेचा था. एलिसन वर्जिल तो तब लिए थे. It can't be 2015 में.
Draw ले लो.
Listen, let me think. You took so much time.
On which one?
On every question. तुम अगर like total करो.
हमारे पास video evidence है. We can play it back and see how much time I have taken.
So do that.
Do that.
Listen, I am going to go all out and say that this is Rob Gomez. Oh, Gomez can be the one. But he does not look like a Gomez to me. I don't know. He's very tall for a Robertson. I'm going to go with Gomez. Is it right? Oh my god! Oh, I played so well. I played this one well, man. I have won. I told you in the starting of the video that I am going to win it. Like I knew this. I did not start the game well, but it turned, right? So like Liverpool is scoring goals in the second half a lot this season, and first half.
मेरे कितने points हो गए?
5. I'm on 6.
5 ही हुआ.
5 each था. So today actually is not a good day for him because he's losing in TT as well. So हम बाहर अभी TT खेल रहे थे.
बेइज्जती करवाए जा रहा हूँ मैं बस लोगों के सामने हार के सुबह से.
We played like 5 games today, 5 matches, and पांचों के पांचों he lost. And the funny thing was last के 2 he was actually winning. लोग आके खड़े हो गए. He got nervous and I'm like chak and I won. And he's standing there. He's like, you could have let me win at least one. Not going to happen. So not your day today. It's okay. So yeah, this is a game, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to comment down below how did you like it, so that we can think about these things more, and I can convince him to comment so that we can make a good video. So that is it. I hope you liked it. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so you never miss a video from me. Thank you. Namaste.